Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for Carlijn Design and I've used CC Design digital stamps. Grouchy Kitty also comes in rubber stamps. Twila, I'm not sure, but I have stuck 2 pieces of watercolor paper on top to make it stronger and see if it wouldn't buckle, because the one that goes through my laser printer is very thin. And I thought maybe I can laminate it, and it worked great. I tried it with the purple just to see and add lots of water, and it worked. Actually, I can recommend it. So underneath there's a piece of really thick, bumpy watercolor paper that you can't really stamp on, and on top there's the thinner one that goes through my printer. So I'm really happy. I didn't know it would work. I tried it. I let it dry overnight, and yeah, I'm fighting with my cutter here. I think I need to stand up to more pressure. To color it, I use fluid watercolors, and I try to do like a liberal background coloring. And I'm not very good at that because I'm a little bit compulsive when it comes to coloring. But yeah, it's okay. I will turn on the music, let you enjoy it, and then I will come back afterwards. So by the way, I color them as me, Twila, with brown hair, and of course my cat's black. I omitted the white, but yeah, that was a little bit too small, and that's why I switch. I have Grouchy as a stamp, but he's much smaller, and that's why I like digits, because I can make it a little bit bigger and easier to color. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. After I finished with the painting, I took it outside and sprayed some fixative on it. Before you do that, you could go in with your watercolor pencils or normal pencils and add some more shading. It's very hard to do in these, small corners and stuff, but with a pencil it will be okay. I'm using the Carlijn Design Nederlands groetjes, but you can of course use anything. I thought it was funny because it says greetings from Nederland, the Netherlands, Holland, because we're probably not allowed to go on holiday this year. And, the Netherlands is not known for their beautiful summers, although at the moment it's very nice. And but I thought it was funny. Once when I was young, I got a postcard from Scotland that had 4 seasons on it, and I had the same image of a sheep in the rain. And it said summer in Scotland, winter in Scotland, and there was no difference. So that kind of reminded me when I saw these digis. There are 2 digis, by the way. I made them in one in Photoshop, and I added more raindrops. But because I wasn't going to color each raindrop, I'm not crazy. I just thought I would do some liberal coloring, which tests my neurotic side, I would say. To finish the card, I just put some foam tape on the back, and it's nice and strong. And if you have problems with your watercolor paper buckling, I would suggest try it. I didn't try it yet with a different kind of heavy weight on the back. I just thought if the water goes through, there's more watercolor to catch it. But it might work with any kind of really sturdy card as well. But I might try it on craft cardboard or something like that as well. To be continued. So thank you for watching. I will see you again soon, and bye. Bye.